Hello friends, I'm Simran. I'm a health, weight loss and a lifestyle coach. So today let's talk about the benefits of strength training. What is strength training? This is an important topic and a lot of giveaways, so do watch till the end. So strength training is also called as a weight training, resistance training and muscular training. So any physical movement in which you use your body weight or equipments like the dumbbells or the resistance bands to build muscle mass is strength training. So spending the whole day in the gym is really not necessary to build muscle. Weight training for say about 20 to 30 minutes for 2 to 3 times in a week is enough to see good results. Strength training could add years of life and protect you from some serious illnesses. So having stronger muscles seems to decrease the chance of getting either cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes and other diseases as well. If you could do one thing to improve your health, strength training should be at the top of your list. It involves using one or more muscle groups to perform a specific task, such as lifting a weight or squatting or anything of that sort. There are many types of strength training, such as body weight exercises, lifting weights, light dumbbells to begin with, or circuit training as well. Strength training can improve your health and make you stronger, help you tone your abdomen. It will boost your metabolism. It will lower your risk of injury. It will improve your heart health and also manage your sugar levels. And definitely it will improve the quality of life you want to lead. Strength training can help you manage or lose weight, and it can increase your metabolism to help you burn much more calories. For those who haven't yet begun, read about the immense benefits of strength training. So in my weight loss program with my clients, I do try to fit in strength training as well into their plan, so that they get the most benefit out of it. So when you begin strength training, go slow. It's always better to start under a proper supervision, under proper guidance, and then curate it in such a way that it fits into your fitness regime. So begin with some light weights, limit your workouts, stretch your muscles after workouts, and learn about progression, and then slowly increase your time and other fitness levels. Many people, especially females, are afraid that if they lift weights, or they will get like bulky, or like they will gain a lot of muscle mass, which inevitably changes their physique into what they may view as undesirable. So weight training does one thing very reliably, and that is it makes you stronger. So you must integrate strength training to see the benefits it will have. Strength training matters in every way. So do integrate it into your lifestyle. So if you have liked this video, do share it with someone. It might just, change the way they see strength training as. So until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, don't lead a sedentary lifestyle.